Good morning, champs. Let's solve the integral of sin³ of x. Since we have an odd power, we split off one sign. We write sin³ as sine times sine squared. Now we use the identity sine squared equals 1 minus cosine squared. This allows us to rewrite everything in terms of cosine. Now we use substitution. Let u equal cosine of x. Then du is negative sine of x dx. Now rewrite the integral. We get negative integral of 1 minus u squared. Now integrate. We get negative u plus u cubed over 3. Finally, substitute back. So we get negative cosine of x plus cosine cube of x divided by 3 plus c. Quick takeaway. For odd powers of sine, split one factor and substitute.